Hey everyone, so we are looking at lesson number 18 here, the distance on the coordinate plane. The coordinate plane is the phrase that we use for the entire graph. On the coordinate plane is the y-axis and the x-axis, and it's where we do all of our graphing that's there. So they talk about that whole thing being the coordinate plane. All right, we're actually going to skip on down and get right into it here. All right, find the lengths of the line segments whose endpoints are given below. All right, so what we're going to encourage that you do is get a quick little sketch down of what you're dealing with. I'm going to go ahead and just draw in my y-axis, draw in my x-axis, and then we're going to do some approximating regarding our points. So the ordered pair -3, 4. Okay, so to get there, I need to go to the left to -3 and then up 4. So we're just going to approximate. So I went to the left -3, up 4, doink, and we'll put a point that's there. Again, an approximation. The other point is also -3. So I need to go to the left the same distance, but this time I'm going to go up to 9. So I'm going to go to the left to -3, I'm going to go up to 9, doink, and we're going to connect them. So I'm going to write down the ordered pairs next to each of the points, just so we can kind of see what we're dealing with here. So this was the ordered pair -3, 9, and this one here was the ordered pair -3, 4. We're trying to figure out the distance here. So because our line goes up and down, we're going to need to count how far it is up and down. Well, of our coordinates, the first number makes us go left to right, so I don't want that one. The second number makes us go up and down. So we're focusing in on that 9 and that 4, and we're trying to figure out how far is it. So you can go to your number line that's there. You can also use your mental number line there. To get from number 4 to the number 9, you have to travel 5 units. And so there we go. I'm not worried about the whole, is it horizontal, is it vertical? We're interested in really the length, the distance that we're looking at here. Let's try another one. So part B, again, we're going to sketch down our y-axis and our x-axis. I'm going to plot the 2 points. So the first one is the ordered pair 2, -2. So since the first one's a 2, I'm going to go to the right 2. And then I have a -2, so we're going to go down 2. So to the right 2, down 2, doink, I got a spot. Now I've got the ordered pair -8, -2. So this time I'm going to go to the left to -8, but we're also going to go down -2. So I can connect the two of them. And now you can see we've made a horizontal line. So because it's a horizontal line, it looks like the x-axis, we're going to use the x coordinates. So I'm looking at the x coordinates here. I'm trying to get from a 2 all the way to a -8. Again, go to the number line on your desk, and if you put your finger at the 2 and at the -8, and count how far it takes to get there. Go ahead. Yeah, it's 10. It's 10 that's there. To get from the 2 to get to the 0 is 2 spots. To get from the 0 to the -8 is 8 spots. So altogether, we've traveled 10 spots that's there. All right, let's try another one here. Again, we're sketching down our XY axis. If I plot the order pair -6, -6, I'm going to go to the left to -6 and down to -6. Put a point. The next ordered pair also makes me go to the left to -6. I'm going to go the same distance, and then I'm going to go up a 1 that's there. And that's what we're looking at. So because our line's going up and down, we are talking about a vertical line, which is just like your y-axis, which means we're going to use your y coordinates. I've got a 1 and I've got a -6. Again, you can go to your number line. To get from a 1 to a -6, you have to travel a distance of 7 spots. Yeah, and the idea behind here is it takes 1 to go from the 1 to the 0. That's 1 spot. To go from the 0 to the -6, that is 6 spots. So altogether, it is 7 spots that's there. So we're really just working on your mental number line. We don't want to say it's a subtraction problem, it's an addition problem. We just want to figure out the distance that we're traveling. All right, let's do one more. Sketch down my XY axis. I've got the ordered pair -9, 4. So I'm going to go to the left to -9 up to 4, somewhere right around there. For the other one, I'm going to go to the left to -4, and I'm going to go up to 4. So it's that same distance I'm moving up. So here I can see I've made a horizontal line, which is just like my x-axis. So we're going to use our x coordinates. And again, you got your number line on your desk. Put your finger on -9. You're trying to get to -4. Go ahead and hop like a frog. All right. Or a bunny rabbit, of course. And you should find that you've traveled a total of 5 units. That's there. So that's what we're after. Sketching it. All right. The horizontal or vertical line will tell you whether you're using that x coordinate or that y coordinate. And then we're just counting. All right. We'll see you.